friend, thank you so much for visiting. Once there was a man named John. He was walking through the forest. While walking, he heard loud screaming for help. These calls for help were so desperate as if there is a pandemic. John followed the voice. He saw that a man is sitting inside the hole and is crying for help. John asked the man, "What happened? Why are you crying?" To which the man replied, "I have been stuck over here since very long time and I'm not able to get out." John asked man to wait and said that he will be back with the letter. After some time, when John was back with the letter, to his surprise he saw that the man was already out of the hole. Out of curiosity he asked man, "How did you come out? You were not able to get out of the hole since very long time." To which the man replied, "There was a very vicious snake that entered the hole. A poisonous snake entered the hole, so I came out. So I got out." A poisonous snake has already entered all our lives, this pandemic, and this is the time that we enhance our capabilities. This is the time to come to our fullest capabilities. This is the time to give our 100% to our goals. We all talk about changing the nation. We all talk about the changes that we want to see in this nation, but we never take a step towards the goal. If we all will together, like we all are together in this, and then if we together put our 100% towards our goal, just imagine how amazing our nation is going to become. It will be completely next level. But that's impossible. Why? Because of the comfort zone. We don't want to get out of our comfort zone. We always want to be there. Even though we can talk about so many things, I dream about this, I dream about that, but still we are not ready to get out of our comfort zone. This is the time that we stop using our past as an excuse to not reach our goals. This is the time when you stop putting limitations on your brain, when you stop putting limitations in front of you, when you stop telling yourself that you can't do this, you can't do that. This is the right time. We all are together in this, and let's all take responsibility on our shoulders to become better version of ourselves, to upgrade ourselves. We all have seen that we procrastinate our work so much that only when the deadline arrives, that is the moment when we are able to complete it. We are ready to complete it only when the deadline arrives. You just think yourself कि अगर कोई deadline नहीं होता, will you be working? Will you be able to complete that project of yours? Will you be able to do that assignment of yours? No, because we are so much busy in procrastinating everything just because of the comfort that we live in. These 2 to 3 weeks that we have in our hands, this is the perfect time where we grow our capabilities to the fullest level. This is the time when we give our 100%. You ask yourself, have you given 100% to your goal ever? No, you don't even know what is your 100%, because even I don't know, because we are so much busy in our comfort. We are so much, we so much love our comfort zone that we can only talk about our dreams, nothing else. This is the time when we stop doing this. Give up holding on your past. Get rid of these limitations. Get rid of this fear which is holding you behind. Get rid of this fear. Conquer it. Anything is possible if you want. And for that, I'm not just talking कि theoretically बातें कर रही हूँ. I want you to pick up the pen, write down in your diary, make 2 columns. One side you write, where are you today? On the other side you write, what's your idea of success? Where do you want to see yourself in the future? This is what you have to do. It can be anything. Your idea of success, it should be your idea. Your idea of success should not depend on somebody else. It can be anything. If you want to become a better version of yourself in financially or emotionally or mentally or socially, whatever it is, this is the time that you decide, you commit to yourself that you will give your 100%. This is the time. We all are together in this, and just imagine if we all give our 100% to our goals. Just imagine how amazing our nation will be, how wonderful our economy will be. I've seen nowadays I've seen so many people complaining about the economy. When you ask them what have you done for the change, they have no answers. They have no answers. Then how do you expect कि इकोनॉमी कंट्री का अच्छा हो जाएगा? Just look at Japan. Like, yeah, they say that Japan got independence way later than India, but have a look at citizens. Have a look at the citizens of Japan. So this is the time that you give 100% to your skills, to learn new skills. And when we all will be back with the new skills, it will be amazing to see each other so much growth, so much evolved. And I'm not talking कि you have to, you know, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा improve करना है या ऐसा कुछ. I'm just talking about 5%. 5% change. 5% if you will upgrade yourself, you will see you'll thank yourself for taking that step. किसी भी चीज़ का, किसी भी टास्क का, you guys will also agree that beginning is the toughest part. Once you start, once you just begin, there's no going back, and this is what we have to do. We have to bounce back because we are not able to see it right now. There will be a lot of problems जब सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. नॉर्मल तो क्या, जब हम वापस उसी रूटीन पे आ जाएंगे 9 to 5, उसी रूटीन पे आ जाएंगे, वी ऑल विल सी कि हमें कितनी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है वो चीज़ फॉलो करने में. दिस इज़ बिकॉज हमने अपने ब्रेन को ट्रेन कर लिया है टू बी कंफर्टेबल, एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू कॉज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. And this is the time. Only 2 to 3 weeks are left, right? And also there's one more side of the story. I know most of the people will now say कि this was not the right time. Okay, मतलब इतनी सारी problems है हमारे साथ. I know that. I understand that. That's what I said, that let's all stop giving excuse. Like, not even excuse, though still let's stop becoming the victim of the situation. This is not doing any good to the situation. Is it helping with your problems? No, this is not helping. Now also, if I tell you about me, अगर मैं अभी भी सोचती हूँ कि ये स्टेप, किसी भी चीज़ की बात कर लूँ, कोई भी चीज़ अगर मैंने बहुत लेट स्टार्ट की है, अभी भी मैं सोचती हूँ कि ये चीज़ मैंने पहले स्टार्ट की थी, उस वक्त स्टार्ट की होती, तो इट वुड बी अ, मतलब पूरा सिनेरियो डिफरेंट होता. It's not too late right now. We still have time. 3 weeks is so much. Let's take a step towards our goals. This is the time. Our future is in our hands. This is our responsibility. Make a promise to yourself and don't look back at all. You have to make your brain your best friend. Right now it's your worst enemy and you're not even realizing it. And before starting, I don't want you guys to think that whether I'll be successful or not. Whatever skill you want to learn, whatever it is, simplest of the things. You want to learn music, you go for it. You want to learn dance, you go for it. You want to martial arts, anything, poetry, or if you want to learn a completely new skill, for example, programming or anything, a new subject, complete new subject, this is the time. And before that, I don't want you guys to think whether I'll be successful or not. This is not the point here. The point is not successful. The point is when at the end of the day you will be sleeping with this satisfaction that you worked so hard towards your goal, and you yourself will feel that self-confidence. It's all about self-confidence. It's all about feeling that happiness. It's all about your self-esteem that will increase once you start giving your 100% to it. After watching this video, I don't want that आप लोग हवा में अपना goal decide करो. You have to decide your goal realistically. There's a huge difference between motivate होके अपना goal decide करने में and realistically अपना goal decide करने में. If you will decide your goal बिल्कुल ऐसे ही हवा में, then it is going to do you no good. Instead, एक वो बहुत ही it will be a complete different mess, because you'll decide few of the things, you'll write down and then you'll decide. At the end of the day, when you will not be able to reach those goals, when you will not be able to complete those tasks, तो वो आपके ब्रेन के ऊपर बिल्कुल ही एक नेगेटिव इफेक्ट पैदा करेगा. Already we are stuck in so many problems. I don't want कि you guys feel even more negative. So you have to decide your goal realistically. You have to see, you already know about your subject कि how much hours this subject is going to take. ये मेरी weakness है, ये मेरी strength है, ये subject मेरा बहुत अच्छा है, ये subject में I am weak, तो इसमें इतना time देना है, इसमें इतना. We all know, right? So in that way, we have to decide our goals realistically. Alright, so there are 3 things that I want you guys to do. 3 things that I want you to do for sure, like strictly I'm telling. First one is you have to decide a fixed time for getting up and sleeping. About this I've talked in my previous video also, and this is very, very important. This is like the initial, like, you know, this thing is going to decide how your day will be. Okay, this is going to lay a very strong foundation, right? You have to decide a fixed time. When you decide fixed time, जब आप डिसाइड कर लेते हो कि दिस इज द टाइम आई हैव टू गेट अप, दिस इज द टाइम दैट आई हैव टू स्लीप, तो व्हाट हैपेंस consciously you have already achieved one task. So when you have already achieved one task, it becomes very easy for you to, you know, complete other tasks too, because it plays a very positive effect on your conscious mind, right? And this is the very first step that I want you to take. Decide a time when you have to get up, when you have to sleep. Obviously, if you have to get up early, you will have to sleep early. So decide this. This is the first thing that I want you to do. Second is कि after watching this video, ऐसा नहीं that you make a very strict timetable कि 9 to 11 this and half hour break, 12 to 2 this thing and then half hour break. I don't want you to do that. This is a wrong approach to your goals, because if we see practically, nobody is able to do that, right? Army wale log, when they have so many authorities looking upon them, this is their timetable, okay? This is not how we are programmed, right? So you have, that's why I said that decide your goal realistically. वैसे ही make your timetable also realistically. By timetable, what I mean is you firstly you take a very proper look. For example, let's talk about a competitive exam. You want to crack a competitive exam. You have to take a very brief look on the subjects that you have to clear, right? You have to score good. Then you see that how many number of hours you have to give to all of those subjects. For example, if you talk about NEET exam, there is like physics, chemistry and biology. You have to see कि कितने hours कौन से subject को देना है. So first thing was getting up at a particular time, sleeping at a particular time. वो हो गया, that एक fixed timetable बन गया, sleep wake cycle था. Then second is number of hours that you have to give. Very third is कि सपोज यू डिसाइडेड कि आपको 3 टास्क, मतलब आपने डिसाइड किया कि ये चीज़ें आपको करनी है. उसमें सपोज आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस इन प्रीवियस वीडियो ऑल्सो. इफ यू टेक अ ब्रेक, लाइक यू डिसाइडेड दैट यू हैव टू टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 5 minutes, instead it turns out to be 1 hour. After that you are now really tired. Now you don't have to procrastinate. What happens in most of the cases is कि you know, like we will see the number of hours, you know, quantity we'll see ki haan, this is number of hours I have given to my study. And when you say like this, already your brain, it's like okay, बहुत हो गया, I have studied a lot today, since already exam अभी बहुत दूर है, तो your brain will be like नहीं, आज के लिए बहुत हो गया, I studied a lot, अब बस बंद करते हैं, I am tired. Even if you're not tired, still your brain will make you feel like that, and हो गया कबाड़ा. So this is the thing. Third thing is you don't have to think like that. You have to decide कि how much break you have to take. You have to be very, very strict in this matter. Okay. Just you don't have to procrastinate. अगर आपका एक टास्क कोई कंप्लीट नहीं हो पा रहा है, don't procrastinate it to the other day. Okay. For example, you decided I'm going to complete this subject, this chapter of chemistry and this chapter of physics. But at the end of the day, you realize कि this chapter is left. Don't procrastinate it. उसमें से थोड़ा you just cover. Okay, what will happen next day when you open the subject? You will see it will play a very positive effect. You know, consciously you will feel confident that you at least completed this much part of that subject. If you will leave that subject completely untouched, it's going to do you no good. Okay, so these were the 3 things that I told you. First one was decide a particular time, मतलब एक sleep wake cycle, because that sets the foundation for your day. Then second one was number of hours you have to decide to your each and every task, whatever it is, not just studies, any skill that you want to learn, any skill. It requires hard work obviously. Third one is procrastinate नहीं करना है. अगर आपका कोई टास्क में से एक नहीं हो पाता है, सपोज यू डिसाइड 3 टास्क, उसमें से एक नहीं हो पाया, तो उसका थोड़ा सा, जस्ट थोड़ा सा यू कवर इट, ओके? डोंट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट फॉर टुमारो कि नो आई एम फीलिंग टायर्ड और समथिंग लाइक, बिकॉज इफ यू विल से लाइक दिस टू योर ब्रेन कि आई एम फीलिंग टायर्ड, इट विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग टायर्ड. दिस इज द थिंग. कोई बहुत बड़ी कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है, दिस इज साइकोलॉजी, सिंपल साइकोलॉजी, ओके? तो these were the 3 things, okay? Whenever you have a choice between hard work and comfort, you very well know that it's always going to be comfort. There we have to make a change. Procrastination, pleasure, pressure. 3 words, okay? They all start with P. We procrastinate because of pleasure. We keep on procrastinating, we keep on procrastinating, and when finally pleasure comes in role play, at that moment procrastination leaves. Procrastination leaves, okay? This thing, so like I'll give you an example कि जब भी कोई deadline होती है, this is why we are able to complete that project at the deadline, उससे पहले नहीं. Why? Because of pressure. जैसे प्रेशर आता है, वो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन जो हम कर रहे होते हैं ना, वो हट जाता है वहाँ से. Long as you have choice between hard work and comfort, you are always going to choose comfort. Pleasure, procrastination and pressure, these 3 words, they all start with P. Procrastination we do because of pleasure, but when it comes in the role play, procrastination leaves. This is why हम अपना हर असाइनमेंट अपने डेडलाइन पे ही पूरा करते हैं. अगर कोई डेडलाइन नहीं होती तो वो असाइनमेंट्स भी पूरे नहीं होते, ऑनेस्टली मेरे साथ भी. दिस इज द थिंग दैट वी हैव टू स्टॉप. कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए दैट वेदर आई बी एबल टू डू दैट, वेदर आई नॉट बी एबल टू डू दैट, बिकॉज उससे यू आर ऑलरेडी इन सो मच प्रेशर. देयर आर सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स अराउंड अस, एंड अगर हम पहले ही ऐसा सोच लेंगे दैट वेदर आई बी सक्सेसफुल और नॉट, instead of motivating, instead of boosting your self-confidence, those tasks that you decided, they are going to bring you down. Don't think like that whether I'll be successful or not. You just give your 100%. You just think about those 24 hours, not about tomorrow, okay? Not about yesterday, just those 24 hours जिसमें you decided some task, you committed to yourself that yes, you are ready to give your 100%, and that's it. उतना ही करना है, okay? Useless thoughts अपने ब्रेन में नहीं लाने हैं. Till when are we going to complain about economy of our country? Till when? Because we always give this example that this country's economy is good. Can we please, like for example Japan, we always say that कि हाँ वो उसके बाद independent हुआ था, and just look at the economy of Japan, just look at the economy of India. There are so many people talking about it, but when you ask them that what are the steps that you are ready to take towards your goal, they have no answer. They're blank. Till when are we going to blame different situation, different people, different authorities for the bad economy of country, when we know that citizens play a major role in deciding a country's economy? This is the time that we upgrade ourselves. Even if you're like 2% also, 5% max, 2% मानते हैं. If you upgrade yourself by 2%, it is going to bring such an amazing change in our nation. Let's all do it. We all are together in this. Promise yourself today. Only 2 to 3 weeks are left, and this is the time we all are together in this. And then when we all will be back with the new skills, it will be a complete different world. This is it for today. Till then, stay safe and take care. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye. Like my video, press the like button, and also note down in the comment section what is your inspiration and how many hours you are ready to dedicate to your goal, and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you.